Hi there, Michael Eskin here with another ABC Transcription Tools demo. Using a MIDI keyboard and a browser like Chrome that's MIDI compatible, you can type the notes on the MIDI keyboard and have them show up in your ABC. I'm going to show you a way to do that using a virtual keyboard running on your device itself, and in this case it's going to be on a Mac and using Chrome. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into the settings on the tool, and you're going to want to allow MIDI input for ABC text entry. And I suggest for this particular case that you use Chrome. I've tested this on Chrome. I'm not able to get this particular use case working on Firefox, so again, you're going to want to run Chrome. Once you do that, there are two programs that you're going to want to run on your Mac, and one of them is available online and one of them is available from the App Store, and I'll put the links to both of them in the video description. One of them is called MIDIKeys, and it's just a virtual keyboard. And the other, you're going to need something to get the sound for the MIDIKeys. MIDIKeys just sends out MIDI data but doesn't make any sound. So you're going to want to run another program on your computer so that you'll be able to hear something. And I'm using a free app called King of FM. It's actually an iPad app, but it'll run on any of the M-class CPU Macs. So I'm going to do this by, first I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the cache to the work area, and I'm going to delete all the notes, and then we're going to recreate this using the virtual keyboard. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to bring up MIDIKeys, and now I can just essentially enter the notes. And again, what I'm doing here is just putting in the note letters. I'm going to go back later and add the bar lines and timing and all that. So we'll just kind of do the A part here. So it's going to be So that's just the raw notes. We'll go back in here and now we'll just put the spaces in, put the bar lines in. And then we'll do the next line. Again, go back here, just put in the spaces, put in bar lines. And put in timing. Okay, now we'll do the B part. So I made a mistake. I'll go back, delete it, go back into the keyboard, keep going. And now we'll go in, add the bar lines and the spaces. And we'll do the last line. ahead and add the spaces and the bar lines. And timing for that last note, and the repeat. And there we have the entire Kesh jig entered using this virtual keyboard, MIDIKeys keyboard, and the sound coming from the King of FM free iPad app running on the Mac. So I wanted to show that to you as a way to use a couple of free tools available on the Mac to enter your ABC from a virtual keyboard instead of either typing it alone or having to hook up an external keyboard. There may be some equivalent utilities like this for Windows, but I don't have one to recommend. If you are able to recreate this in a Windows environment, please post a comment with this video so that others will be able to do something similar.